Interested in color settings on your Sony ZV-1 II? We'll explore how different color profiles can change your videos and photos. In this video, we'll talk about the various color profiles in the Sony ZV-1 II and show you how to select the right one for your shooting style. The standard profile is perfect for those who prefer minimal post-processing. It provides a natural color reproduction straight out of the camera. For those who enjoy a creative approach to post-processing, we recommend using picture profiles like S-Log2 or S-Log3, which extend the dynamic range and give more color correction options. Creative styles allow you to change colors directly when shooting, offering various styles such as vivid, portrait, or black and white. Experiment with different profiles under various lighting conditions to find your ideal style. Playing with color profiles opens new horizons for your creativity with the Sony ZV-1 II. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.